Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Came out to the quad bike this morning and couldn't get it to start. Everything was turned on and there was no click, no crank, nothing at all. So I started to check out what was going on, what was going wrong, and poking around with different wires, and I thought let's just check the simple stuff first. I put a voltmeter on the battery there underneath the seat and it had 12.8 volts on it, so that's not likely to be the problem. I digged around for a while and then I remembered that this fuse holder was here. A couple of weeks ago I solved a problem with my lawnmower that had a similar fuse on it, and I noticed even though that fuse wasn't blown, that when I removed it the mower wouldn't crank at all. So I think this bike has a very similar system on it. You can see there's a little glass fuse inside. This is the one that was in there. I don't know whether you'll be able to pick it up on the camera. If you look at it very closely, you'll see it's no longer continuous. If you can't see the fuse, easy way to tell, with the key turned on, if you, with a little test light, if you find something that's a ground, up on there, if you touch this side, you see the light comes on. If you touch that side, the light comes on. If you don't have power on both sides of the fuse, you know it's blown. This little fuse holder had a spare one in here, so I used that. I'll have to go and buy another spare to put in there because I didn't have any more 10 amps. And now, with everything else on, it should crank. Hopefully it's out of gear, and it does. So if that fuse is out, it won't crank at all. You get nothing. So that's just a quick one, guys. First thing to check, if you've got no crank at all, make sure you've got a decent voltage in your battery above, say 12.5 volts, and then find that fuse and check that it's not blown. And you can solve a problem very quickly. No use of the parts cannon whatsoever. Thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick one today, and we'll see you on the next one. Can't really see you.